Hi there, thank you for clicking into this video to watch it. My name is Shuga and I am filming from Abuja, Nigeria. You guys, in today's video, I'm so excited to be sharing with you this particular product, okay? I mean, you already know what we're talking about from the title and the thumbnail of this video. I have been using this product for the past 3 weeks and I'm still using it, but I'm coming on here to share with you what my review is. If you've been following me on my short right here on this channel, I did do an unboxing of this product and I promise to come on here with a more detailed review of what it actually does and if it actually delivers on all the promises that it keeps. First of all, you guys, let's talk about the packaging of this product. I sort of like how minimalistic, okay, the packaging is. It just comes in this white pack with the blue lettering. It's literally just no too much, display of colors, right, selected colors that actually makes it stand out. You guys, it literally stood out on the shelf and that was why it was able to catch my attention. And right under here it says it is for blemish and oily prone skin, and that was honestly the reason why I decided to go with it, okay, you guys. So now that we're done with the packaging, still on the packaging, you guys, when I opened it, okay, you guys see how cute this packaging is. They didn't just put it, in the pack like that, but they made a little compartment that will help to protect your bottle just in case, it falls on the floor or something had hit it. There is going to be little to no impact on the bottle itself, and this is what the bottle looks like, okay, you guys. Cute bottle, okay. The texture, you guys, let's talk about the texture. It is not thick. Well, I say it's thick. It's not thick. It just has this smooth runny consistency that dries into your skin, okay, within a matter of about 10 to 20 seconds. It dries up on your skin depending on the quantity that you apply on your skin. You guys, you can see this. You can see what my skin here looks like without it, okay. I like that it also adds shine, okay, to your skin as well, you guys. And of course you can see that the color is clear. It is transparent and clear, and it has this very mild smell, okay. I've recently had a knack for products that are either completely fragrance free or have very mild fragrance to them that are not overwhelming or overpowering, okay, you guys. As soon as you finish applying it, before you're even done applying it, that fragrance or that smell fades away. Because honestly, I think that if you're using a product to treat your acne or to manage your acne, there is every tendency that you want to stay away from products that contain fragrance, which might further irritate your skin. And I just love that about this particular product. Like I already said, you guys, this product is actually meant for people who are acne prone, who have oily skin, and if you have a tendency of breaking out. Sometimes you just have this rash or irritation as a result of stress, during the day, or as a result of an allergy. Maybe you applied something on your skin that caused irritation and this little rash. This particular product is going to do the magic for you guys. Does this product clear acne? No, it will not completely clear your acne. I can tell you that for a fact. If you're looking to actually treat your acne and clear your acne permanently, you might have to combine this with other products or other in-clinic treatments that is going to help to take care of your acne. But what does this actually do, you guys? Before I tell you my experience, particularly with this, what it did for me, I want us to look at what this product actually says, okay, and what it promises to offer. It says it is the Face Fat Restore and Clarify Salicylic Acid Serum that contains 2% salicylic acid, contains calming aloe vera and multitaxid niacinamide that gently removes surface impurities and helps reduce the appearance of oil and blemishes. Apply when your skin is suffering with those stubborn breakouts and rough textures. And you guys, that is what I was just telling you. This might not particularly take care of your acne, but it is going to make it less embarrassing. It is going to drastically reduce it, okay, you guys. I wish I took a picture of my face literally last night, okay, or during the day before today that I'm filming this particular video, you guys. I suddenly noticed that I was having crazy breakouts on my skin, and honestly, even if I've not been as consistent, okay, I'm always using this product every other day, but as soon as I noticed it, I made sure that I used this last night, and this morning all the acne, all the breakouts, all the inflammations are significantly reduced. You guys, you have to really come close to me before you know that, okay, I have some blemishes, some acne here and there on my skin. And does this product deliver on all of these things that it has said? You guys, I am going to tell you yes and yes again. And why is that, you guys? The reason is because one thing I have discovered about this particular product and that I love, and that is probably going to be the reason why I will use this product again, whether from this brand or from any other brand, I mean salicylic acid, is that it truly reduces the appearance of oil on your skin. Honestly, you guys, You know that thing where you apply your skincare products or you do your makeup and then you go out, and then in the course of the day your skin becomes oily. You can feel that shininess from the oil on your skin coming out. Okay, this salicylic acid completely eliminates it, you guys. Ever since I started using it, I have not had to worry about having very oily face. Okay, you guys, I can step out during the day, have my makeup or step out during the day and come back, okay, without any shininess or oiliness on my face. It just mattifies my face and literally makes it a very good base, okay, to apply my makeup on. Now, to use this product and to get all the results from it, I would say please do not use it with your vitamin C serum. If you currently have a vitamin C serum and you're trying to treat blemish on your skin, or you want to significantly reduce the appearance of acne or pimples on your skin, and you decide to opt for this particular product or any salicylic acid serum, you want to stay away from vitamin C serums until you are done taking care of those blemishes or those acne or pimple breakouts on your skin. You can use a vitamin C face wash and then go in with your salicylic acid serum. Use it in the morning or at night every day. But if you're starting out for the very first time, what you want to do as a beginner is to use it every other day, okay, whether you've done a patch test or not. Use it every other day to see how your skin tolerates it. But honestly, you guys, when I started using this particular product, I was using it every single day. In fact, I started in the first 3 days using it morning and night. Okay, for some reason I forgot to read the instructions and I was actually seeing results, and that was what prompted me to say, come, let me see what these people even actually said about this product, because I mean it's working. But I decided to stop doing that and I began to use it in the morning or at night. But best bet, like I always say, if you have something to take care of, it is best that you make use of that product at night. So I use it every night. After cleansing my face, I follow in immediately with this, and then I go in with a very good moisturizer as well that helps to keep my face hydrated. Basically, we're in the Harmattan or winter season and the weather is dry, so it means that there is every tendency for your skin to dry out even faster, whether you have an oily skin or a dry skin. So you want to layer heavily with a good moisturizer regardless of the skincare products that you are using. You guys, am I going to recommend this product for you? Yes and yes. Remember, I said that if you're looking to actually treat and clear out your acne completely, this is not the product for you. You can combine it with other products, okay, with other ingredients like tretinoin, in order to achieve the desired result that you want. But if you just want to manage your acne, I think that's more like the right word to use. If you're looking to just manage your acne, you know, control those inflammations so that they don't go overboard. I mean, I would have been embarrassed stepping out. I was embarrassed stepping out yesterday with the breakout I had on my face. But this morning, when I woke up after using this product last night, I felt a lot more confident on my skin. I felt a lot more confident on my face, and that is thanks to this particular product, the Face Fact Restore and Clarify Salicylic Acid Serum, you guys. Now, does this product cause any side effects? And honestly, you guys, the only side effect I have noticed to using this particular product is that if you are not consistent with it, it is going to cause you irritation on your skin, especially based on your diet, okay, and your lifestyle. If you're stressing yourself out and you're not monitoring your diet, honestly, this product is going to irritate your skin. It is one product that when you begin to use salicylic acid on your skin, you have to continue using salicylic acid on your skin, okay, you guys. I mean, it makes sense now when they say that once you begin your skincare journey, you know, using skincare products, there is almost no going back, you guys. Literally, there is no going back. You just have to keep going on and doing the most that you can until you achieve or hit that flawless glass skin glow that we all want. And that brings me, my darlings, to the end of this video. Did you find this video helpful? Let me know in the comment section below. Do you have other questions about this particular product? Let me also know in the comment section below. I'll be answering them. If I need to make a separate video to answer those questions, I'm going to do that. I'm going to reply you directly in the comment section below, you guys. Thank you once again for watching this video till the end. Till I come your way next time in my very next pretty video. Stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Shuga loves you.